Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover WhatsApp V1's photo. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, I have here two options, or maybe three. Okay, so the first option is within the WhatsApp app. So if the message is unopened, or if the V1's photo is unopened, you can just go ahead over to the top right, tap on the three dots, tap on settings right here. Now go ahead and go to storage and data. Now go ahead and find manage storage. Tap on it, and here go ahead and find the person who sent the photo. Tap on it and you should be able to see it right here. Okay, if there are a lot of photos in here, you can just go ahead and filter it out to the newest. All right. So another option, which is from the cloud backup. Okay, we can just go ahead and go back right here under settings. Now go ahead over to chats, like so. Scroll all the way down and tap on chat backup. Now, if the last backup time is before you view the photo, it might be in the backup file. Okay, so what you do to recover it is first up, go back. Now here we have chat history. Now export the chat. Okay. Select the chat. Include media. There you go. Now tap on more right here and send it to whichever platform. You gotta send it to your Gmail if you want to as well. And just send it to yourself. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead and open up your email and check it. Now the last option is that, as I said earlier, if the last backup time is before you view the photo, you can go ahead and reinstall WhatsApp. Tap and hold, uninstall, then just reinstall it using Play Store and App Store, and you should be good to go. All right, that is it. We open up the message, the V1's photo will be there. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.